If you're like me, you like to cook, but you don't want to have to cook every single meal. I mean, who has time for that, honestly? My days are generally very super busy. I mean, I'm usually at the computer, I'm filming, I'm at an airport, I'm walking my dogs, I'm picking up dog poop, I'm on the phone, I'm doing laundry, I'm on the phone doing laundry, I'm working out. You get the point. So I generally like to keep my breakfast and lunch simple and easy. I don't want to have to think about what I'm going to eat, or I also don't want to have to cook during the day. Do you know what I'm saying? Does this sound like you? Yeah, I thought so. I also don't want to eat crap though, right? Because let's face it, simple and easy generally means being tempted to eat something that's processed and not very good for you, right? I mean, having chips and donuts is just not a good thing. And then I discovered Splendid Spoon. Total game changer. Real food, plant-based, gluten-free, non-GMO, ready to eat. They have these awesome smoothies and soups, grain bowls, noodles that are low in sugar and sodium. I previously did a video that you can watch up here about some of their meals and smoothies. I don't know about you, but I love fall. It means lots of warm soups and stews, and Splendid Spoon has lots of soups to choose from. Cauliflower potato chowder. If you like New England clam chowder, then you're gonna love this. This is the vegetarian version of it. It has cauliflower and potatoes, onions, celery, a hint of rosemary and black pepper and coconut oil and navy beans. So yum. So the minestrone vegetable soup has tomatoes, zucchini, navy beans, onions, carrots. Really super light and brothy. Oh my God, and so good. If you prefer like a creamier, thicker soup, then try the butternut turmeric soup. Oh my God, butternut squash, turmeric, nutmeg, sweet potato. It just smells and tastes like fall. Or if you're a lentil soup kind of person, then you're gonna wanna try their lentil and kale soup. It has like chock full of carrots and kale and onions and all sorts of goodness. Oh my God, so good. Or maybe you prefer light soups, then try this Fennel Consummate soup. It has onions and fennel and sea salt in a very light broth. Everything comes frozen in eco-friendly packaging, so all you gotta do is heat it up. It's awesome. Modern Aging viewers get a super nice discount so you can try them out for less. I'm gonna put all the details in the description section below. This is perfect for those of us who are just on the go and still wanna make sure that they're eating real nutritious food, but because, let's face it, while crap may be tempting, we know that it just makes us feel like shit afterwards, right? I mean, let's stay away from the candy and muffins for lunch. If you want to be good to your body and brain, you have to feed it real food, and Splendid Spoon makes that really easy. Basically, all you got to do is pick a plan, customize the meals, and wait for your box of goodness to arrive. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Modern Aging.